Yes, this is our day 3 of our training. We're still here in Makiling.
As a side livelihood for them.
I also want to see how they down.
Here.
Yeah.
Good morning! So, today is May 28, 2026 and I'm here in Manila because of work, and that work includes camping and hiking in Mount Makiling. So, as you can see, I already packed my 40-liter backpack, so I'll be bringing that. It's actually quite bulky for a one-night camp, but it's because I brought my sleeping bag and air mattress, so toiletries, of course. Biglang nag-bag. But yeah, I'm ready for today's agenda, and yeah, as you can see, this is my this is my view. Yeah, I really like this room when I first saw this view because, you know, I like bird watching. Ooh, there's someone in there. It's also that I have to leave this behind because it's already too much. Because when I searched earlier, the weather there is quite hot. It's still summer in there, so I just don't need this type of cardigan. This is cardigan. Yeah, I'll bring you with me in my work today. I'm actually waiting for Loy. She's a friend of mine from Thailand. Wow, already friend. I just met her yesterday during our training. So she's actually a store director, guys, of Decathlon in Thailand. But she's nice, so I feel like I want to be friends with her. By the way, guys, this is a 40-liter backpack for backpacking. Only for nature hiking, so I won't be bringing that. It's okay today, I'm vlogging.
Oh, really? Okay.
Just Floy, guys. She's actually talking about Red Horse.
Solomon. Still my user is here in the system. Oh, since the bag is not 100, the bag is not waterproof. No worries, upsell this. Those all these, you also have these items in your store. Manito yung ano, sa'yo, kama.
Pasok kasi.
Ay, mamaya ako na ako. Kaya naman yan eh, ako bukas.
Because our can cannot be shaking.
Yeah.
So we have to keep.
It's the priority.
Who's the RS for rapid sports? Singapore. RS is, I think at the moment we have one called KU in my branch. Just don't eat it together with cake. Oh.
What a
It's
sad
boy's
place
first
to
time
be for
trying
a
Jollibee.
I will take it.
I'm showing to spray. Very historic.
We had it before?
I'm sure. For sure. But when asked me to try this.
It's a burger?
No, rice.
Oh, okay. I know that. I heard that the order right.
Resume the asset.
Introvert and introvert like shy to talk to customer. I'm the only one. But I can feel like customer don't want to talk to me, but I feel like
Then you must become a BL trainer and trainer. Yeah.
yeah.
Getting to set a lot of friends today, guys.
30 minutes.
We're going to teach a lot of things.
7-Eleven. The most cheaper thing.
We can do like rock paper scissors.
This is the most easiest to sell.
Because it's easier.
Side quest.
The orange version of this one. Hazelnut. The rest is just secure all the corners.
Yeah.
And we have the aluminum.
Last tent pitch for today, guys. It's actually a nice tent.
Oh, base camping tent. Base camping. This one. And this one. We have 40 one tent for each.
We got a lot of people inside. Because it, we did 6 main tents.
Let's disassemble the 4.1 and let's set up the oil spray and display. You buy
I'm gonna sleep there later, guys. I think it will rain. Parang ulan, guys. I think it's gonna rain.
red lever. Once or twice. That's it. You just pump it. Oh, actually doesn't use this. The lights are going to take the pictures over.
Nice kid. Thank you.
Can you send this to Facebook?
Yeah.
Already.
No alcohol.
Yes.
I'm scared of
One or two. You tried the what? This one.
Yeah, later. Then later y'all. Yeah. Okay. I think I need to put it here. And then I can see it better.
You can put for you.
Okay,
then
Italian
you can
siya.
see better.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Oh. Like, oh, I want to see how things down.
Here.
Yeah. Next time we turn the light off, I want to see how dark it is. Oh my god, the moon.
We have a lot of white people working, Europeans working. So every evening after finishing work, they will go to a pub. Later.
Good morning, guys. It's a time check. It's 6:25 a.m. and this is our day 3 of our training. We're still here in Mount Makiling, Rainforest. So I'll just a little tour. pitch our tent there. And yes, today's agenda includes hiking, but before that we need to eat our breakfast first. That's our guys.
Those colleagues makes it worse for you because they will talk about it somewhere else.
They will amplify
And,
it.
yeah, they amplify it, so it becomes worse.
Then it gets lost.
Hormones, they cannot go out because it's pandemic.
So,
Actually,
Guys, smile.
Look, yeah, on the side. Yeah, like that. Okay.
the other campsite.
Morning guys, time check, it's 7:30 and we're gonna start our trek for today. What do you see?
Not a good one.
So some people do it because they say, oh, I'm going to use this trip, so my contribution.
Moment. Oh, no moment. Wait.
You don't get to got the background.
Wait. But it's still clean and his handsome, right?
$500 fine. It's not cheap. Sakyan, pisa long yung needed.
Just a site livelihood for them.
I really attended training.
You'll do that in your debrief.
Yeah.
Wait. I will do many type of it. Wait.
then the ventilation would be way better.
Time check guys, it's 11:12 a.m. and we already dismantled our tents. That's our campsite. We're preparing to leave, but we still have, I think, 20 minutes to enjoy the